We have Infosys numbers as well. Those are the standalone numbers that are currently flashing on your screens. The first quarter PAT at 1660 versus a figure of 1730. Those are the sequential numbers, but those are the standalone numbers. So let's just wait for other numbers to actually trickle in.
Smita is ready, I've been told. Smita, very basic numbers have come out. Standalone PAT, consolidated PAT, consolidated top line, and standalone top line.
Yes, Nikunj, we are yet to wait for the guidance. Of course, that will actually show where Infosys is really going. But currently, in terms of the revenue and the profit figures, it's exactly in line with what we are estimating, what we were estimating. In fact, profits have come tad higher than what we were expecting, but overall, almost a dip, almost a 5 or 6% dip from the previous quarter. Now, like we've been mentioning, there is a lot of pressure on Infosys operations as such because of the ongoing restructuring process, increasing costs, especially visa costs, and of course wage hikes. All the IT companies have had to give wage hikes, and this is the first quarter.
Right, Smita, the revenue picture as well has come in 7485, so that as well is absolutely in line with what your top line estimate was.
Well, absolutely. In fact, this time around we were expecting some pricing uptick which might have come in and volume driven growth, but again not as strong volumes as was the picture in the past couple of quarters. Around a 3% or 4% volume growth was what we were expecting. And if you notice the rupee terms, it would be impacted a little bit by a stronger rupee versus the dollar, which would have become a slight bit of a downer for the rupee revenues. Dollar revenues, I'm yet to see the numbers really, but we are expecting volume driven and pricing uptick really to factor in on that. And cross currency, of course, that should give a 50 basis point uptick for the dollar revenues really. But yes, like you mentioned, both revenues and profits have come in line with our estimates. Profits, in fact, down over the previous quarter.